Hi, another real estate advice from Wilson Lleno, realtor in Red Deer in Central Alberta. You know that owning a house is more than just having a roof over your head. It's a source of your pride, dignity, and stability. You don't have to be scared that next month the landlord or the owner will give you a notice to vacate. And you know that feeling of saying, I'm home, it hits differently when it's your own home. So if you're planning to buy a house, start building your wealth. Contact contact a buyer's realtor. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, or call us at 403-307-5714 for more real estate tips.